Hey everyone! Welcome back to Study Sketch. Today, we are diving into an important topic that affects everyone on our planet, climate change. Let's learn what it is, why it's happening, and how we can help protect our Earth. What is climate change? So, what exactly is climate change? Well, it's when the Earth's usual weather patterns change over a long time. Imagine if your favorite season suddenly got much hotter or colder every year. That's climate change. Causes of climate change. But why is climate change happening? Here are some main reasons. Greenhouse gases. When we burn things like coal, oil, and gas to power our homes, cars, and factories, we release gases called greenhouse gases into the air. These gases trap heat from the sun, making our planet warmer. It's like putting a big blanket around the Earth. Cutting down trees. Trees help clean our air by absorbing CO, a greenhouse gas. When we cut down trees for paper or to build houses, there's less help to clean the air, so more CO stays up there, warming the Earth. Farming. Some farming activities release methane, another greenhouse gas. Cows, for example, produce methane when they digest food. Effects of climate change. Now, let's talk about what happens because of climate change. Warmer temperatures. The Earth's getting hotter, causing more heat waves. Imagine a really, really hot summer day, but more often. Melting ice. In places like the North Pole, ice is melting. This makes the sea levels rise, which can cause floods in coastal areas. Extreme weather. We get more powerful storms, heavier rain, and longer droughts. This means more hurricanes, floods, and even forest fires. Ocean changes. The oceans absorb some CO, making the water more acidic. This is bad for fish and other sea creatures. How can we help? But don't worry. There are ways we can all help slow down climate change. Save energy. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not using them. Use less water and try to walk, bike, or use public transport instead of driving. Plant trees. Join tree planting activities or plant a tree in your yard. More trees mean more CO absorbed from the air. Recycle and reduce waste. Recycling helps reduce the need to make new things from scratch, saving energy and resources. Try to use less plastic and recycle whenever you can. Eat smart. Eating less meat, especially beef, can reduce methane emissions. Try having more plant-based meals. Learn and share. Learn more about climate change and share what you learn with friends and family. The more people know, the more we can do to help. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference. By working together, we can help protect our planet for future generations. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Sketch for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.